Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Cat S53, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your Cat S53 device faster. Firstly, you need to remember one rule. So never fill up your internal storage over than 70% point, because after you will fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. And it don't matter which device is it, Cat S53 or other Android or iOS or Mac OS or Windows device. So all devices are starting to slowing down over the 70, maybe sometimes 75% point. So if you want to keep your device in good condition, so just open settings, open storage, and find how much space did you use. Okay, and if you have used over the 70%, not 17, but 70%, so just free up the storage. So delete unused apps, remove games, remove big old files, I don't know, move your photos and videos to the cloud storage or to your PC or flash drive. So you need to free up the storage. Okay, the next aspect is the RAM, because all processes are running at the moment, they are running in RAM, and here again the winner one who invests in a device with more temporary storage. So if you want to remove apps from internal storage, from not internal storage but from RAM, from memory, you need to click on this square button and swipe up all old applications, all applications you don't need right now, and in this way you will remove it from memory. Of course you will have it on your device, but you will remove it from memory, from temporary storage, and in this way you will free up your RAM. And the last aspect you can do to keep your device in good condition is to open the Files app on your device and find here all downloads, find here trash files you don't need on your device. In this way you will remove small and big files you don't need, and you will free up your system. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.